Hey guys, it's Lisa here from FOGAmotion, and today I want to share with you my 5 best tips on how you can create a comfortable space in your home just for stretching. Let's go. Stretching is just one of those things that most people tend to avoid. But why? I hear so many different reasons, but among the top excuses are,
I just don't have the time. Keep forgetting. Probably not gonna happen.
but establishing a stretching routine doesn't have to be torture. In fact, if you follow these 5 tips, you'll eliminate those top 3 excuses nearly completely. The trick is in creating a space that's ready for you to use at any time. So, let's get started.
Tip number 1. Find the right spot in your home to designate specifically for stretching. You don't need that much space, but it does need to be somewhere comfortable, convenient, and inviting to help stimulate spontaneous stretching breaks throughout your day. This looks like the perfect place for me. Ooh, but this floor is too hard. I'm gonna need a mat. Which brings me to tip number 2. Choose the right mat. You can use any exercise mat you're most comfortable with. It really comes down to personal preference. But yoga mats are just too thin for me. I highly recommend choosing something extra thick to give you more support when you're moving around. I've always been partial to these interlocking foam mats because they're inexpensive and you get 4 in a pack, so you can set them up in a square or row, which makes them perfect for any space. I threw down a blanket, but I still need a few more things before I start stretching. Tip number 3, use a pillow. Not exactly what I had in mind. I recommend keeping a cushion close by that you can slide under your knee for added support. Any cushion will do, but it's up to you to find the right one for your needs. Tip number 4, use a stool. Ideally, your space should have something close by you can hold on to for stability. But if not, I would suggest buying a stool specifically for your space that's lightweight and easy to move around while you're stretching. It'll help tone down the difficulty of the stretches by eliminating the need to balance, and you'll get much more out of your stretches if you're comfortably stable. My favorite stool is this one I found at IKEA. It's super lightweight, I can sit on it comfortably, and it only cost me $8. And finally, tip number 5, get ready before you start. Otherwise, you might be battling interruptions. Whatever it is that gets you excited to do your stretches should be ready before you get started, so you can stay focused on the activity with minimal distractions. These items might include your phone, most definitely something to drink, and don't forget your favorite music. And once you're done setting up your space, it should feel a little something like this.
So now that you know my tips on how to create a space in your home for stretching, go ahead and get to it. And don't hesitate, reach out by commenting below and I'll give you all the stretches that you need to get started on your pain areas right away. In the meantime, please share this advice with your friends by sharing this video. And I'd love to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates each time I launch new stretching tutorials that should help you work towards minimizing your pain. Now go put this plan in motion and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, by the way, I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Lisa, and I'm a licensed massage therapist with my company Chiropsia Therapeutics, and this is my first YouTube video. The purpose of this channel is to actually help educate you on the therapeutic value of clinical stretching. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you soon.